Okay, and now let's continue. You have learned 4 basic formulas, and now let's learn the next formula, which is called probability of deviation of relative frequency from the probability. Вероятность отклонения относительной частоты от вероятности. Please copy out name of this formula. Okay, students, deviation means отклонение, relative frequency относительная частота. Okay. You know that P of A equals little p. P of not A equals little q. You remember, P plus Q equals 1. Is that correct? Okay. Now, let's learn this deviation. Students, do you remember this symbol? Module. Okay, it will be module m divided by n minus p will be less or equal to epsilon. How to solve this inequality? For example, students, if we have module x is less or equal to a. Okay, it means x lies between two values. Okay, minus a and plus a. Thank you very much. Students, it's rule of higher math like this. How to transform this inequality? It means m divided by n minus p lies between epsilon and minus epsilon. Okay, this letter will be Greek letter epsilon. Epsilon. Okay. It will be students, how to find limits for m over n? How to express m over n? Okay. We have negative p, yes? Let's take negative p and move to both sides, да, то есть отправляем сразу в обе стороны. Let's call the left side of this inequality p, yes, p minus epsilon, okay, and p plus epsilon. Is all clear? Okay. Students, this value m divided by n is called relative frequency, относительная частота. Let's copy out. M divided by n is called relative frequency. Students, how to explain n? What is it? It's total number of outcomes. What is m? It's a number of outcomes, yes, favorable for event. What is it? It's constant probability. Это постоянная вероятность. For example, if you know this probability, for example, if you take today will be p. If you take tomorrow, it means this probability is unknown. It's maybe p or not. We have deviation, то есть у нас есть некоторое отклонение. This difference is called deviation. For example, students, if you mark, for example, constant probability will be 0.3. For example, today this probability equals 0.2. For example, tomorrow 0.8. What deviation do you have? We have positive deviation and negative deviation. Do you agree? For example, this difference between 0.3 and 0.2 equals 0.1. If you take 0.3 minus 0.8, it will be, okay, we have positive deviation and negative deviation. In order to find this result, students, let's use module, because module of negative number will be positive, yes? And module of positive number will be positive. Okay. And now please copy out this formula. Probability of deviation m over n minus p will be less or equal to epsilon, approximately equals, let's look at this formula, approximately equals 2 times phi of fraction. What fraction? Epsilon, okay, times root of n divided by p times q. Okay, students, we have little p, little q, m, epsilon. We have unknowns. And now let's solve examples. In order to solve, let's explain capital Phi. Is it differential function or integral function? Integral function, okay. Let's solve examples. For example, for defining the level of students' knowledge in the given subject, 100 students are given tests. The probability of carrying out a test excellently is 0.1. Find the probability, capital P, that the relative frequency deviates from the probability little p by the value epsilon 0,01. Итак, определяем уровень студентов. Окей. Okay. Excellent test. Yes. The probability of carrying out a test excellently equals 0.1. Okay, 0.1. It means you know constant probability. Да? От чего уровень студента зависит, да? Хорошее у него настроение или нет, да? Хочет писать контрольную или нет. Поэтому у нас что бывает? Отклонение. Okay. Students, let's continue. How many students? 100. Okay, we have 100 students. And you know epsilon. Do you know epsilon? Okay, 0.01. Okay, it means you need to find capital P. Capital P will be unknown. We need to find probability of this deviation. Let's substitute. Capital P approximately equals 2 times phi of epsilon. Do you know epsilon? It will be 0.01 times root of n. N equals 100 divided by p. P equals 0.1. Okay, students, how to find Q? Okay, Q equals, okay, thank you. Let's start. Students, 0.1 times 0.9. It will be 1 over 10 times 9 over 10. Is it correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. If you multiply, you can get 9 divided by 100. Okay, thank you. If you take this fraction, you can get 100 divided by 9 over 100. Correct or not? Okay. Please remember, if you have this value and divide by fraction, yes, you need to change this fraction, yes, and get multiplication. 100 times over 9. Okay. 100 times 100 will be 100 square. Agree? Okay. And what is 9? It will be 3 square. Agree? Okay. In order to find root of this value equals, okay, 100 divided by 3. Okay, let's substitute. 2 times phi, 001. How to transform 001? It's 1 divided by 100. Okay, and multiplied by this root. This root equals 100 divided by 3. Okay, let's cancel. Agree? Let's continue. And you can get 2 times phi. What fraction in the brackets do you have? Okay, 1 over 3. If you take 1 and divide by 3, what result do you have? It's 0.2 digits. 2 digits after comma. Okay. Please remember, it's capital P. You need to use table 2. Okay, please look at table 2 and look for phi of 0.33. And please call this result.
0.1255.
1 4?
1255.
55? 55. Okay. Is it correct? No. It's table 2. It's table 2. Yes, please.
1293.
Okay, thank you. Okay, 1293 multiplied by 2 will be the last number. 6, yes? No, 3 times 2. Okay. 9 times 2. 18. Okay, let's add 1. 12 times 2. 24, yes, plus 1. 25. Is all clear? Okay, now students, let's continue. Condition 2. Please look at condition 2 of this task. You know number of students. Total number of students will be 100. Next, you know probability of carrying out a test excellently. It will be P equals 0.1. It means Q equals 0.9, correct? Okay. Students, you need to find epsilon. Epsilon is called accuracy. Accuracy means точность. Это точность. Epsilon is unknown if capital P equals 0.95. Capital P equals 0.95. Epsilon is unknown. Okay. Now let's use this formula and substitute. Students, do you know capital P? Okay, it means you know the left part of this formula. Capital P equals 0.95. 0.95 approximately equals 2 times P. Epsilon. Epsilon is unknown. Let's leave epsilon times root of NPQ 100 divided by 0.9 and 0.1. Okay. You need to solve this equation. Okay, students, please call this root from the previous example. This root equals root. No, root. 100 divided by 3. Okay, it will be 100 divided by 3. Okay, let's substitute. 0.95 approximately equals 2 times phi of epsilon multiplied by 100 divided by 3. Students, please remember, if the left part equals the right one, it means you can change two sides and get double value equals 0.95. Is that correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Students, if you have 2 times unknown, how to find this unknown without coefficient 2? Okay, let's divide by 2. Okay. Phi of epsilon times 100 divided by 3 equals, students, 0.95 divided by 2. 95 divided by 2 equals, okay, 4, 7 and 5. Okay, 4, 7 and 5. And now, students, let's learn inverse problem. For example, students, if you remember the previous example, you have solved this task. Capital P of 0.33 equals 0.1293. Agree? You need to solve inverse problem. Да? То есть вам нужно будет обратную задачку решить. Phi of unknown value equals 0.475. 0.475. This, look at this table and look for x. То есть нужно будет найти x по табличке, да? Let's look for 0.475. 1.9. Okay, thank you. It means, students, this fraction, okay, phi of epsilon times 100 divided by 3 equals phi of 1.96. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. It means we have two equal sides. Let's substitute. Epsilon times 100 divided by 3 equals 1.96. How to find epsilon? Okay, let's multiply by 3, yes, and divide by 100. Okay. This call. Is it correct or not? If we leave two digits after comma, you can get 0.0 and 6. Okay. So, for example, students, you need to find a number of students. How many students do you need to take that with the accuracy epsilon equals 0.02, the probability of deviation of relative frequency from the probability P will be capital P equals 0.91. How to explain number of students? What is it? It will be n. Okay, n is unknown. Okay. Do you know capital P? It will be 0.9 and 1. Okay. Let's continue. Students, do you know epsilon? Epsilon equals 0.2. Okay, you know little p. Yes, it's 0.1. It means q equals 0.9. Correct or not? Okay, number of students is unknown. Let's substitute. Capital P or 0.91 approximately equals 2 times P of epsilon. Do you know epsilon? Okay, let's substitute 0.02 times. Next value will be n. N is unknown. Okay, n divided by P times Q. 0.1 times 0.9. Okay, let's substitute. 0.91 approximately equals 2 times phi. 0.02 times. N is unknown. Let's leave root of n. Do you agree? Okay, students, let's remember 0.1 times 0.9. What is it? 0.09. We have root of 0.09. Okay, let's continue. 0.91 approximately equals 2 times phi of 0.02 times root of n divided by 0.3. Okay, thank you. Let's change sides. Agree? And you can get 2 times phi of 0.02 divided by 0.3 times root of n equals 0.91. Now let's remember the previous example. Let's divide both parts by 2. Okay, we have p of 0.02 divided by 0.3 times root of n approximately equals 0.91 divided by 2. Students, please call this result 0.91 divided by 2. 455. Okay. Students, how to transform this fraction 0.02 divided by 0, 3 and 0? Yeah, if you multiply both parts by 100, yes, you can get 2 divided by 30. Please cancel this fraction. 1/15. Okay, thank you. And you can get a phi of 1/15 times root of n approximately equals 0.455. Now, let's open table 2. And please look for this value. It will be phi of 1. First digits. 2. Okay. Okay, let's leave 1/7. Okay, 1/7. 1 and 7. Okay. Now, students, how to get n? 1/15 times root of n approximately equals 1.7. Okay. How to express root of n? Divide or multiply? It's unknown. How to exclude 15? Multiply by 15. Okay. Root of n will be 1.7 times 15. Okay, students, let's call this number.
1.35.
$25.5. Okay, students, if you know root of n, how to find n? Six, 650? Point 25. Okay. Let's remember, what is n? It's number of students. Okay. This number will be integer. Но округляем чуть-чуть. Okay. Okay. Is it correct or not? Кого одного не хватает? Is it correct or not? Correct. 1.7 times 15 will be 25 and 5. Is it correct? Okay. Students, how to find limits for m? You know total number of students. And now let's solve this double inequality. M over n minus p will be less or equal to epsilon. M is unknown. How to find limits for m? N equals 650. P will be 0.1. Epsilon will be 0.02. Okay, we have m divided by 650 minus 0.1 lies between 0.02 and minus 0.02. If you take this probability and move to the left side and right one, you can get, yes, plus 0.1 minus 0.02, it will be 0.08. Okay, m 650 and 0.1 plus 0.02. Correct? Okay, students, how to find limits for m? Okay, it means 650 times 0.08 and 650 times 0.12. It will be your homework. Okay, let's finish this lecture.